Okay, every summer, IXL goes and tweaks this lesson and that lesson, and I never get... What? I'm recording. So, and I never get a list of which lessons are changed and how they're changed and stuff like that. So I only learn once we get into things. So S7 last year was part of S4. What they've done, they've taken they've separated two different sections from it and made a full section for S7. And you're going to appreciate that because everybody should be able to make a 100 on this because it's just using your calculator. So I'd already made a video for S4 with all this information in here. So if you watch S4 video from minute 2 to 5.25, which you should have already done, this is how you do S7. So basically, you can rip up S7 notes and use your S4 notes for S7, those parts of it, or you're using your calculator. All right? If you have any questions, let me know.